Hello friends, I'm Marcel from Virgin Hair Vietnam, and we are often asked what is the difference between kinky chase and darky chase, and which one is better. So today we will show you some of differences between these two types of hair. The first is Yaki chase. Yaki chase has more flow-like structure. It is very thick and does not shade. Moreover, this hairstyle will be used for a long time and simple care is not fussy. The secondly is kinky chase. Kinky chase gives people a feeling of more hair and thicker. The difference between kinky hair and darky hair is that the kinky chase hair is blended more loosely. Kinky chase hair can give you a natural look. In particular, these two types of hair are made from 100% virgin human hair Vietnam. The hair is very smooth without any chemical treatment. If you're interested in details, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.